Hey there! Today we're diving into PayPal's lending services. Have you ever wondered if you can borrow money from PayPal? In this video, we'll cover the different borrowing options PayPal offers, including PayPal Credit, PayPal Working Capital, and personal loans. Well, let me break it down for you. PayPal, renowned for being a secure and trustworthy online payment system, also offers various borrowing options that can help you out, whether for personal use or business growth. First up, we've got PayPal Credit. This is a reusable credit line you can use anywhere PayPal is accepted. Think of it like a virtual credit card. You can make purchases and pay them off over time. It's perfect for those unexpected expenses or that must-have item you've been eyeing. Next, there's PayPal Working Capital. This one's tailored for small business owners. If you have a PayPal business account with a solid sales history, you can apply for a loan that's repaid through a percentage of your daily PayPal sales. There's no credit check involved, and the application process is super simple. But wait, there's more. PayPal also offers personal loans in partnership with WebBank. You can borrow between $5,000 and $40,000 with fixed monthly payments and no early payoff fee. This option is great for larger expenses like home improvements or consolidating high-interest debt. To explore these options, just log into your PayPal account and head to the PayPal Credit or PayPal Working Capital sections. For personal loans, you'll find the info under Loans and Credit. Remember, borrowing money is a big decision, so make sure you read the terms and conditions carefully and choose what suits your financial needs best. That's a wrap. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances with PayPal. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.